Okay, so if S is the midpoint of our T, then we're going to draw it the best we can. Here's R on this end and T on this end, so you go exactly to the middle and make it S. Our S we will label with negative 2x, and ST we will label with negative 3x minus 2. This is our midpoint, so it's exactly in the middle, which means these two expressions should be equal to each other. So we're going to say negative 2x equals negative 3x minus 2. Okay? Then we want to solve algebraically. I prefer my variable on the left, so I'm going to add 3x to both sides. These cancel. Negative 2x plus 3x is just your x, and you get x equals negative 2. Now it seems wrong, like we shouldn't have a negative answer, but that's not our final answer, right? That's just telling it what x is, but if we plug it back in, we should get positive numbers. So let's check. Let's check our S. Our S says negative 2 times x, so we are going to go negative 2 times negative 2, which ends up being positive 4. So as long as your segment piece ends up positive, you're fine. When we try ST, what answer should we get? We should get the same answer, right? Because if that's the midpoint, then this piece should be equal to this piece. Let's check. Negative 3 times negative 2 minus 2 more. So negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6, and 6 minus 2 is 4. So these two should be the same, and they are, so we did it correctly. Okay? Any questions on example?